Adventure of Tidy Timmy. A little child named Timmy once lived in the beautiful town of Cleanville. Timmy had a reputation for being neat and organized. He constantly made sure everything was in the right position and kept his room immaculate. While his family and friends would frequently make fun of him for being too tidy, Timmy took great satisfaction in his neatness. Timmy was cleaning his room one bright morning when he noticed an odd noise coming from his closet. He
Cautiously
opened the door out of curiosity and was shocked to see Duster, a small talking dust bunny. The little creature said in a happy voice, "Hello there, I'm Duster." Timmy was taken aback but interested. Before this, he had never encountered a talking dust bunny. Duster clarified that Timmy was not the only one who loved cleanness, and that he was the protector of cleanness and had been sent to ask for assistance. Eager to help, Timmy said, "Duster, what seems to be the problem?" Duster clarified that there was a cleanliness emergency in Cleanville. Not only were the parks neglected, but the streets and even people's homes were getting more and more disorganized every day. The once orderly village disappeared, and Duster was unable to keep up with everything on his own. Timmy was determined to help and felt a feeling of duty. He got his neighbors and friends together, and they launched an initiative to keep the area clean. They established recycling programs, painted colorful murals to promote cleanliness, and plant neighborhood clean-up days. As word of their actions spread, more people in Cleanville became motivated to support the cause. The town soon started to sparkle once more. Everyone felt happier and healthier when the environment was kept clean, and people took joy in it. Duster and the other defenders of cleanliness were thrilled that Timmy and other kids could bring back Cleanville's cleanliness with their diligence and hard work. As a gesture of gratitude, Duster gave Timmy a magical broom that will effortlessly keep his room perfectly tidy. Timmy made a heartfelt commitment to keep his town clean. Cleanville continued to be a shining example of the value of cleanliness. and the enormous impact that each resident had on the community's success. Timmy discovered that cleanliness was more than just keeping things tidy. It also involved taking care of one's surroundings and making the world a better place for everyone to live. Cleaning surroundings must needed
Indeed.
indeed to be a collective community effort.
Good job.